Hey guys, this is Shashi from Elbatec again with another video here. So in this video, let's have a specs breakdown of Redmi K20 and Redmi K20 Pro. So let's get started. First, let's talk about Redmi K20. The Redmi K20 is powered by Snapdragon 730 chipset with 6 cores clocked up to 1.8 GHz and 2 cores clocked up to 2.2 GHz. It comes with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. Redmi K20 runs on MIUI 10 based on Android Pie. It comes with 4000 mAh battery which supports fast charging. It has 6.3 inches touchscreen AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080x2340 and an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. When it comes to camera, on the rear side, it has 48 megapixel primary camera with f1.7 aperture, a second 8 megapixel camera with f2.4 aperture, and a third 13 megapixel camera with f2.4 aperture. The rear camera setup has autofocus. On the front side, it has 20 megapixels camera for selfies. And also further, it supports dual nano SIM, Bluetooth 5.0, IR blaster, in-display fingerprint scanner, face unlock, 3.5mm headphone jack, and USB Type-C port. And yeah, it has 3.5mm headphone jack. It has a glass body and comes in 3 different colors: carbon black, glacier blue, and flame red. Now let's talk about Redmi K20 Pro. Almost all the features are same as that in Redmi K20 in Redmi K20 Pro, except the processor. The Redmi K20 Pro is powered by Snapdragon 855 chipset with 1 core clocked at 2.84 GHz, 3 cores clocked at 2.42 GHz, and 4 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. Regarding the pricing, the Redmi K20 is expected to be in 20,000 range and Redmi K20 Pro is expected to be in 25,000 range. It's definitely going to be a deal breaker as it's one of the cheapest flagship phone released in 2019. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to ElbaTec for more videos like this, and don't forget to enable the notification bell button beside subscribe button to get notified anytime any video goes live on ElbaTec. And thanks for watching guys. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.